Dana, you up for the challenge?
Always.
Do you think if I put this on the ground like that you could, in acro with no instruction, fly this FPV drone up over 10 feet and land it in there? Because if you can, I'll give you $100 cash.
Well, logically, a man would say, well, sure.
Okay.
But knowing that you're offering this,
Yeah.
I'm going to say probably not.
I have confidence that you won't be able to.
Okay.
But let's find out.
Let's find out.
No explanation.
None whatsoever.
Yes, we should have a buddy box. There's a thing called a buddy box. I didn't have time to buy one for today's experiment. There's a link in the description.
Are the controls the same as the drone?
As the drones that you're familiar with, yes. Do you want it facing away from you or towards you?
Is it really going to matter?
Oh, good point.
What if I want to ease up?
You can do whatever you want.
Is there any easing to this at all? Is there any easing?
I guess you'll just have to find out.
Because the only thing I've ever seen them take off is like a rocket.
Yeah, don't do that. It is in acro. Just go from there into the hoop for $100.
For $100.
Yeah. Okay, all right. My $100 is safe.
It's safe, I tell you.
You know what? I'm actually curious to see if I could do it.
I want you to do it.
I don't know if I can. I'm still a newbie. Here, you take this camera.
I will not offer $100 if he can do it.
No?
But I will offer one big slap on the back.
Okay. I get an attaboy.
Yeah.
All right. Just going from there to there.
That's what he said. See, you're already well in control. Oh my gosh! Attaboy!
Thank you. Can I have another one?
That's good.
Thank you. Dana, do you trust me enough? If you hold this like this, if I come and fly through it?
Yes.
You do?
Maybe. Yes.
You shouldn't. I'm not that good. Hell no, I wouldn't do that. No, I wouldn't. Bass player fingers lopped off today in horrible droning accident.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
For those of you who don't know, Dana Williams is the bass player for Diamond Rio, and he is a Grammy Award-winning member of the Grand Ole Opry. And I could not have been less careful with his digits about 3 years ago.
Whoa, grab it, Dana, grab it. Woo! Dana saves the day.
Oh my God.
Can you see?
Yeah.
All right. You ready to go for a little ride?
Sure, man. Where's the thing at? I don't want to be hit.
No, I won't hit you. I'm going to launch from over here. The last time you and I flew together,
Yeah.
it was bad news, remember?
Yeah, I do.
Here we go. Okay. All right. Well, that was fun. Yeah, that was a bad day. Here we go.
Here we go, baby.
What I'd like to do is fly through that thing.
Oh my gosh. You're just asking for trouble.
I am.
Hey, you're mucho better than you were.
This he says right before I crash.
This is many crashes ago.
Yeah. Yeah. So I want to try to go through that. I don't think I'm good enough to, but I'll try it anyway. I really don't think I'm good enough. This is advanced stuff, and you shouldn't go through slowly. Oh, goodness. Oh, I did it.
You got through that part.
I got through that part, huh?
Yeah. The other one's a long way, dude.
Yeah, I don't know if I could go through that. I'm not ready for that yet.
You might from the other end.
And there we are. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared.
I've lost where you are, man. I don't think you're
It's
going-
okay. See, the thing is, if you go through too slow,
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
oh my gosh, I'm not straight.
Oh!
Hit it, hit it. I'm down, I'm down.
Yeah, but you just landed.
Yeah,
Just-
but I can get back up. I can get back up.
Yeah, just come straight up. But you better not come up like a rocket.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Telemetry recovered.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I did it! Oh! Dude! Oh, that's the first time I did anything like that and I got it on camera. Let's see how damaged it is from hitting that pole.
Well, it's flying. It must not be that damaged.
Well, propellers can,
They broke?
yeah, these are really rugged things. Oh man, that was so cool.
Yeah. Wow. Let me go see, man. There ain't nothing wrong with that thing. It's made of steel.
Is it all right?
Made of steel.
Oh, I think it's okay. Yeah, it's all right. All right, your turn.
My turn, huh? I want to see if I can fly it more.
Okay. All right, let's do it. All right, no goggles, just line of sight, right?
No goggles, just line of sight.
Which
yeah.
is actually harder to do, you know.
Yeah, no, I don't want no goggles.
And I'm going to put it on horizon mode for you, not full acro, so it won't let you flip.
Good, good.
You remember this switch.
Right.
If things go wrong, throw that down, okay? And this is the throttle. You have to keep it in the air using that. It's not going to hover like a GPS drone. And then everything else.
Forward, reverse.
Well, forward is actually this, like that. Because when you lean it forward, it'll drop out of the sky unless you give it a throttle to compensate.
Right, okay.
Again, if you start panicking, and it sounds like I'm panicking, just
Hit the button.
Yeah, even if it's 20 feet in the sky, it can fall and survive.
Oh my gosh.
Okay? Oh, Dana, lower throttle. Throttle. Oh my gosh. Okay, down. You got to get lower, Dana.
I do?
Yeah. And come back here. You're going to lose line of sight. Don't. I'm sorry. Yeah, I thought you were just going to dip-de-doo around here, but now you're off down by the street.
Well, I mean, man, I'm flying the thing.
Do you stay there in the shade?
Okay.
I'll do the walk of shame. Actually, we don't have to do that. I can fly it back. Hold
Yeah, I was going to say, why don't you...
on. Here you go. Just so not used to line of sight flying. You want to try it again?
Well, you're getting me more scared as we go.
No. Just don't. Please.
I was just wanting it away from me.
Well, the thing is, if it's really far away, you don't know if it's. You have to have it within where you can see the front of it. That's why nobody flies these line of sight. You're out by the road. I didn't know which way was which, and neither did you. Neither did you. Yeah. So just keep it here. Don't go further than that ditch thing. Okay.
I'll do the best I can. It ain't coming on.
Well. You're doing all right. Lower. Throttle down. Kill it.
Go.
I said it could land on grass from 20 feet, not pavement.
I didn't want it to be over there.
I know you didn't. So Dana, your thoughts about flying my drone for the very last time?
I'm glad it's the last time.
Man, oh my God.
I'm thrilled.
Oh my God.
I thought I was in control for a moment.
And that's the moment where things go wrong.
I didn't see no parts fly.
Yeah.
Huh?
Gotta replace some propellers. It's okay.
Seriously?
Yeah, I got plenty of propellers. It's okay. I think it's all right. Don't feel bad. Do you feel bad?
Skosh.
It's all right. All right, I'm heading up here, Dana, because this looks like a cool place to fly from.
Yeah, always a cool place.
So what is this again?
This is for the Station Camp High School Band. This is their field that they do their band camp and practicing and all that for the band. And the band director goes up there.
Is it sturdy?
Well, you'll find out. There's wires over there.
Yeah, I see the wires. I'm not all that great at doing orbits.
Wires over there.
Thank you. You think I can land it back up here with me?
Buddy, that I don't know.
I don't think I can. I'll get it in my face before I land it. I don't want it in my face. I don't want it in my face. All right, I'll land it on the ground. Uh-oh, turtle mode.
Yeah, it's upside down.
Yeah, you know what turtle mode is?
No.
Watch this. Isn't that awesome? How about that? That saves a walk.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah. All right, I'll land it over here near you. Oh, there we go. So do you agree I'm getting a little bit better at FPV?
I agree, man. I think it's way better than when I saw it start.
Yeah.
Way better.
Yeah, well, thank you.
Many props ago.
So do you trust me enough to hold this out while I fly through it?
Well, throw it up here. Let me see.
Okay. It's big enough.
There it is.
What do you think?
I think no.
Oh.
How about that?
All right.
I don't think. No, that's no good.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks to all the help of the FPV community. Until next time, buh.
And of course, bye.
Hey guys, I don't know what it is, but here lately I've just felt really tired. I have no idea what it could be, but yeah, I'm just real tired all of a sudden.